Okay, let's get these done. What is the height of the parallelogram? What they're talking about, the height, is they're talking about this length h here, okay? Now, the only way that we can figure that out is if we were somehow, since that's a variable that we're missing, then the only way that we could figure it out is if we knew, um, say, the area. And then we could say, well, parallelogram is base times height, so here's the base of 27, okay? And so we could say 27 times that height would be equal to whatever the area is. Do we know the area? Well, hey, we can figure it out actually, because not only is that base and height that I just showed you, but if instead of setting it on the side that we set it on for the parallelogram, what if we, for example, set it on this side instead? Now, imagine rotating in your mind so it's sitting on that side, and then this side is what the height is, okay? That base of 36 times that height of 24, 36, that color blue, that side in blue right there, times 24, that side in green, that is the length, the height and base, um, if it was sitting on one particular side. Okay, all you need to do in order to find out which is what's going to be a base and a height that go together is you need them to be forming 90-degree angles. Okay, I mean there's some other conditions in that, obviously, like it's got to run from the highest point straight down all the way to the base. You know, obvious things, but so we know that just like that blue and that green is the base and the height, we've also got this base here of 27, and let me erase this and write that there. Okay, that base of 27 times the height that goes along with that, which is here in pink, which is what we're looking for. Okay, so then we can say 27h equals, what do we get for 36 times 24? We can do that over here right now. 36 times 24, 864. Okay, that's 864 is the area of this whole thing. Now we know that we could also find the area by doing the purple base of 27 times whatever the height is. So what we're going to do now, we're going to divide both sides by that 27 and find out what value for h would give us the 864 square units that we know it should be. By the way, that's the area of the parallelogram, okay? So 864 divided by 27, and we find that the answer is 32 units. But ultimately what we're looking for is the multiple choice answer, and that multiple choice answer is down here at A. Yeah, so that's how you do it. You look for a base and a height that you know to calculate the area, and then you find the other base and height, one of which is a variable that you don't know, and you multiply them together and set them equal to the area that you found the other way. I like this problem. It's good.